down because you're looking into the sun too much. Come on, you come. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Thank you.
Oh, so what's more first?
Yeah.
Do you want to go?
We'll just go together now.
Yeah, go on.
It's just really nice. I'm fond of all animals, especially cuddly ones. So yeah, being able to cuddle a big fluffy animal is really cool.
And we'd got to the stage where the land was just underwater, sometimes for months at a time, killing all the type of grasses that we needed for the dairy cows. So we needed to move into something different, really. We were struggled for quite a few years, and decided there was just no future. We were just getting nowhere. We were just losing money, and we needed to make some changes. We had these 5 that we couldn't bear to part with. They were our friends, almost like pets, really, these 5 cows, and all really placid, friendly natures. And we thought maybe we could try having a go at cow cuddling as a diversification, really, just to earn a bit of extra money on top of our conservation scheme.
I'll be coming in this way, so.
Quite relaxing, but obviously just like watchful because they're animals, they're unpredictable. But no, it's definitely an experience I'd recommend for people to do.
They love it. They're quite inquisitive animals. They like stuff going on. They're quite interested in when people come down to see them. It took them a while to get used to it. We did practice for months before we started doing it. So they get nice full stomachs and they're laid down cudding, all nice and quiet, and that's the best time to cuddle them, rather than when they're stood up and walking around.